Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to set up a web camera for your Zoom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Actually, joining a web camera into your Zoom meeting is super easy even than you imagine. In order to do that, just simply open your Zoom application and go to the meeting, and after that just simply click into this pop-up menu of the videos, and after that go to the video settings, and into the video settings you will see this camera option at top, and into here you will see this HP SD camera of mine, which is my inbuilt laptop camera. First of all, you have to link your webcam through the Bluetooth or the USB port of your laptop or computer. After that, just simply click to the drop down menu, and after that your list of the cameras will be seen into here. You just simply have to choose the webcam that you want. Then after that your webcam will be set up successfully. In this very easy steps you can easily set up a webcam for your Zoom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.